my god, you brought me food. How you're so romantic.
Okay.
Do you know what I like? French fries. Thank you, baby. But baby, do you know one thing? None of my ex has ever served me food like you just did now. Every wicked set of boys, especially Morris, the one they call Morris, that boy was so mean to me. He was just wicked. I'll punish that boy wherever he is.
Giant exes you get like this, eh? All of them just bad for nothing. Eh? I never do any of them anything bad.
Morris said, not be well with you, idiot.
Don't worry, you have me now.
Oh, I love you so much.
God,
baby, open the for me. None of my exes has ever tried this before. None of them have tried this before.
Don't worry, I go open her over and over for you. This is for you.
It's like Bondia. Allah, I just be rich.
Wait.
Wait, baby, open up for me again. Come and punish my exes. So come and punish them.
I'll drag on you the date since. What is this? Faith! Akuna. So you still did this Lagos? My friend, who are you? My brother, if this girl finish with you, you will not say Lagos. What is the reason why Lagos they call the co? Do you know him? She's my ex, so she was knocking me and knocking my junior brother. I confronted her. She spoiled everything in the house. Yeah? She carried everything in scatter. The show you that.
Faith! You see this Lagos? I don't think any place I see for this land, I'm going to swear for you. You know
Zana.
Who are you?
this girl is my ex now. This girl, she's my ex. You say this girl, I dey cook for this girl, I dey wash for this girl, everything. She say this girl sabi cook. Imagine say my mama come visit me for here for Lagos. This girl get my slap, she slap my mama. I don't go forgive for this life.
Come on, idiot. Is it not your exes that you said they are bad people with this?
Babe, the past though, I'm changed already.
You know what? We are going to meet Morris now. Don't be faith with this. So I don't want to come. Wait.
Oh, this girl na my ex. This girl don't thief everything for my house finish. My laptop, my wristwatch, my gold. The only thing wey remain be say make this girl give me belle. I dey try arrange my life like this. Bro, I no wan come close, abeg.
Woman, they give man belly.
But wait, you don't go do test for infection.
I clear.